discuss this unit, first what is linear equation? So let us consider linear equation. So linear equation is nothing but the degree of the variable is equal to 1, then the equation is called a linear equation. The degree of an equation 1 is called linear equation. So the degree of a equation is equal to 1. What is degree? Highest power of variable is called degree. Highest power of variable which is called degree. So the general form of linear equation is ax equal to b or ax plus b equal to 0. So this is a linear equation. It is a single variable. So we need the variable is x and we are constants. So linear equation in two variables. So linear equation in two variables is nothing but we need to take two variables and so the degree is equal to 1. So the general form of linear equation in two variables is the form is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So this is the general form of linear equations in two variables. Here the x and y are the variables, a, b, c are the constants. So now pair of linear equations in two variables. So pair is nothing but 2. So the collection of two linear equations in two variables is called a pair of linear equations. So the collection of two linear equations is called pair of linear equations. So pair of linear equation. Let us consider a1x plus a2 b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So collection of these two equations together it is called pair of linear equations. Since it is in two variables, pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, solutions of pair of linear equations. Pair of linear equations. Solutions of pair of linear equations. So solution. So what is the solution? Actually, while we are finding the solutions of pair of linear equations, there are two types. So one is consistent. Another one inconsistent. Consistent means the system, the pair of linear equations having solution is consistent. Inconsistent. What is inconsistent? If it doesn't contain any solution. So the pair of linear equations doesn't have any solution is called inconsistent. So majorly two types. Consistent means having solution. If it doesn't contain solution, inconsistent. Okay, so now, so first three cases there exist solutions. Solutions are not in consistency or inconsistency are two types. So property. So first one, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 represents pair of linear equations. Pair of linear equations. Then, if it required pair of linear equations, then first one, a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Then the system, the equations have unique solution and which are consistent. So if a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, definitely those are consistent. So those two lines are intersecting lines. If condition is like that, a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then the two lines must be consistent, having unique solution. So having unique solution, it is nothing but two lines are intersecting lines. So like this. So this is one of the line, this is one of the line. So the lines are like this. Next, second, if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then it is consistent. Here also it is consistent, but it has infinite solutions. Infinite solutions. So it is nothing but first line is like this, second line also like this. So one line apart another line. So two lines are coincident. Then those two lines are coincident. So if a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, lines are like this. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then one line is like this, the second line will be upon the first line. Next, third, if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then it is inconsistent. It doesn't contain any solution. If the equation is like this, then the two lines are parallel to each other. When the two lines are parallel to each other, one line is like this, another line must be like this. These two lines do not intersect at anywhere, so there won't be any solution. So that's why it is inconsistent. So then the lines are parallel to each other. Three conditions: a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, consistent and intersecting lines. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then also those two lines are coincident lines. Then also it is consistent, but it is infinite solution. So every point on the coincident lines must be solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then it is inconsistent. So there won't be contain any solution. Those two lines must be parallel lines. Parallel lines do not intersect at anywhere. So that's why solution does not exist. Okay. Now exercise 4.1. exercise 4.1. First one, by comparing the ratios, A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2, state whether the lines represent by the following pair of linear equations intersect at a point are parallel are coincident. First one, so here a pair of linear equations are given. By observing those two, so by comparing the ratios, we need to find whether those lines are intersecting lines, parallel lines, or coincident lines. First one, 5x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0, comma 7x plus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. So these are the equations: A1 5, B1 minus 4, C1 8, A2 7, B2 6, C2 minus 9. So I want to check first, then if it is not equal, it will be ends there. If it is equal, there will be two more conditions. So first, A1 by A2 equal to 5 by 7, B1 by B2 equal to minus 4 by 6. So these two are not equal, implies A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. So directly it is first condition. If this satisfying, those two lines are intersecting lines. So the lines are intersecting lines. If these two are equal, we need to find out C1 by C2. Okay. Next, second, 9x plus 3y plus 12 equal to 0, comma 18x plus 6y plus 24 equal to 0. Again, A1 equal to 9, B1 equal to 3, C1 equal to 12, A2 equal to 18, B2 equal to 6, C2 equal to 24. Now A1 by A2, 9 by 18, cancel, 9 into 1, 9 into 2. B1 by B2, 3 by 6, cancel, 3 into 1, 3 into 2. So A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2. So we must check C1 by C2 also. C1 by C2 equal to 12 by 24, 1 by 2. So all these are equal. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. Then what is our conclusion? All these are equal. Then the lines are coincident lines. So the lines are coincident lines. Next, third one. 6x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0. 6x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0. 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. So this is A1 6, B1 minus 3, C1 10, A2 2, B2 minus 1 C2 9. Now A1 by A2 6 by 2 equal to 3. B1 by B2 minus 3 by minus 1 minus minus cancel 3. So these two are equal. If it is not equal, we write A1 by A2 not equal B1 by B2. But if it is equal, we need to find out C1 by C2. C1 10, C2 9. So 10 by 9 not equal to 3. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. So A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. Two lines are parallel to each other. So therefore, two lines are parallel to each other. So this is the solution. Okay, next week. Okay, so we will do second one ladder. Third question. Third one is Neha wants to sell. Neha went to a sale. Went to a sale. Neha went to a sale to purchase some. To purchase some pants and skirts. Pants and skirts. When her friend asked, when her friend asked her how many of each she had bought, of each she had bought, how many of each she had bought, she answered the number of skirts are two less than twice the number of pants. Two less than twice the number of pants. Purchased and the number of skirts are two less than twice the number of pants. Two less than twice the number of pants. Okay, again, purchased and the number of skirts is 4 less than 4 times the number of 4 times number of pants purchased. Okay, so help her to find help her to find how many pants and skirts Neha bought. Okay, now so Neha is said to purchase some pants and skirts. So she purchased some pants and skirts. How many we don't know. We need to find out how many skirts she bought, how many pants she bought. So when her friend asked her how many of each she bought, okay, the number of skirts are 2 less than. So first let's solution. Let's number of skirts equal to x. Let first number of pants and number of skirts. So first I am taking pants. Number of pants equal to x. Let number of skirts equal to y. Number of pants equal to x. Number of skirts equal to y. So the number of skirts given y equal to number of skirts is 2 less than the twice the number of pants. Twice pants 2x, 2 less than 2x minus 2. Next, and one more information, the number of skirts y equal to 4 less than the 4 times the number of pants. 4 less than the number of pants. 4 times 4x minus 4. 4x minus 4. So y equal to x minus 2, y equal to 4x minus 4. We need to solve these two. So if we solve 4x minus 4 equal to 2x minus 2, bring 4x minus 2x equal to 4 minus 2. 2x equal to 2, x equal to 1. X equal to 1. So I want to substitute in this. So y equal to 2 of 1 minus 2 equal to 2 into 1, 2 minus 2, 0. So number of pants is equal to 1, number of skirts is equal to 0. So number of pants equal to 1, number of skirts equal to 0. So this is the solution. Next, question number 4. Fourth question. 10 students of class 10 students of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. Took part in mathematics quiz. Mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, is 4 more than the number of boys, the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, and the number of girls okay, so 10 students, okay, if the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, then find the number of boys and number of girls. The number of boys and number of girls who took part in the quiz. So we don't know number of boys and number of girls we need to find out number of boys and number of girls. Total strength participated in quiz is 10. So girls and boys together 10. So girls are 4 more than the boys. Okay, now solution. Let number of girls equal to x. Let number of boys equal to y. Number of girls equal to x, number of boys equal to y. So total participants equal to 10. So x plus y equal to 10. And one more information is given. So girls equal to boys plus 4. So number of girls are 4 more than the number of boys. What is girls? X equal to y plus 4. So x y plus 4 plus y equal to 10. 2y equal to 6 for bringing also. Y equal to 3. X equal to 3 plus 4 equal to 7. So number of girls equal to 7. Number of boys equal to 2. So this is the required solution.